It's the Alamo Fireworks 2020 demo finale by Pulse Pyro and his friends. Using the Cobra system, we've got a highly modified Total Assault by Magnus, Glorious Eruption by Alamo Fireworks, a couple of Roman candle barrages. Oh, if you look carefully, we got some crackle mines just for a little ground effect. We got 5 stations of that. Say hi for the channel.
Hello, what's up? Here's your arm.
Awesome, thank you. Again, one more mod. Here we go. Got a few racks set up, partially for the finale, partially individually fired shells. 3 stations of those. The main station in the back, where all the big cakes happen. I've got a real deal with Re-Rapid Dominator, Detonator, OG, and El Jefe by Alamo. Saturday Night Special by Alamo Fireworks, not by Brothers. Ace in the Hole by Magnus, Diamond Sky by Magnus. Battle of the Alamo. Notice we're only firing 2 rows out of that. Also, Destiny by Alamo, firing each row individually. Wish I could have done this during the day. We really would have been able to see things better. Also, forgot Kraken by Maddox. Always a good one. I better get my toolbox out of here, shouldn't I? And there we go. One last station of that. Thank you again. Enjoy the show.